Hello and welcome to the Complete Python 3 Bootcamp. This fully updated course is the most popular course on Udemy to help guide you from zero to hero in learning Python. With over 250,000 students enrolled, we've designed this course to be your best resource for learning Python. So why learn Python? According to a recent survey from Stack Overflow, Python is one of the fastest growing programming languages on the planet. Even when compared to other fast-growing technologies, Python is dominating the programming landscape. It's also projected to be one of the most popular programming languages well into the future. Whether you want to perform automation, game development, data science, machine learning, web development, or more, Python can help you build anything you can think of. Best of all, we make it easy to learn this very powerful tool. So who is this course for? This course is designed to be well suited for complete beginners to programming. It's also suitable for programmers who are experienced in another language and now want to pick up a new skill of Python. Finally, we've also made this course approachable for programmers who know basic Python but now want to level up their skills with the advanced topics in this course. So what's the actual course like? Well, let's take a look. We'll start off by showing you how to set up Python and your development environment, where our distribution environment will work on any operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. After that, we start by going over the basics of Python, where we'll teach you about basic data types and structures, how to format your code, how to use logic to run programs, and much more. We'll cover topics that aren't covered in other Python courses, such as decorators, generators, more complex object-oriented programming, and more. All along the way, you'll have fully interactive exercise notebooks to test your understanding, along with quick check-ins with built-in quizzes inside of Udemy to make sure you're fully understanding all the new material. This course also leverages the power of Udemy's built-in coding exercise editor for a built-in coding interactive experience fully in your browser. We also provide detailed notebooks for you to reference as you go along through the course. These notebooks are unique in that they're specially designed to allow you to not just read and take notes in them, but also write out fully functioning Python code right alongside our notes, and it also allows you to take notes yourself in case you want to clarify anything for your future notes. We have over 100 lectures of high-quality explanatory videos and fully detailed notebooks that go along with each lecture video. We also have test and homework notebooks to give you even more practice with your new Python skills. Along the way, you'll also have awesome milestone projects to help you create fully functioning programs and games you can show off to your friends and colleagues. This course is careful to teach you best practices with Python, with our goal being that by the end of this course, you'll be confident to put Python on your resume, along with obtaining a lifelong love of programming. But not only do you get amazing educational content with our videos and notebooks, but you'll also get access to our online question and answer forums, where our community of hundreds of thousands of students and our teaching assistants are happy to help out and answer any questions you have. We also have a live chat room where you can team up with other students to work on other projects, or just chat with online friends about Python. Once you've completed the course, you'll also get a certificate of completion you can post to your LinkedIn profile to show off to potential employers. All of this material comes with an amazing 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it all risk-free. We're so sure you'll love the course that we'll even let you keep the notes as our way of saying thank you for trying out the course. You can explore the rest of this landing page and other preview videos for a full course curriculum overview. So what are you waiting for? It's time for you to start programming. Enroll today, and I'll see you inside the course.